Society teaches us that anger is bad, that civilized people must always smile and swallow their rage. Stay calm, don't lose your cool. But do you know what happens when you try to hold a beach ball underwater? It shoots back up with double the force. Suppressing anger doesn't make it disappear. It turns you into a ticking time bomb. And that is why you feel exhausted and depressed. You are acting like Bruce Banner, weak and always afraid of himself. Today, I want to introduce you to the Hulk paradox. To be strong, you shouldn't kill the monster inside. You must learn to shake hands with it. The goal isn't to be Bruce Banner. The goal is to be Smart Hulk, having the raw strength of a monster, but the intellect of a genius. Let's look at the biology. What is anger, really? It's not a negative emotion. It's a survival mechanism. When you get mad, your brain pumps adrenaline and cortisol into your blood. Your heart rate goes up. Your pain threshold goes up. Your focus becomes sharper than a razor blade. Your body is screaming, "I am fully charged. Take action." Anger is like jet fuel. If you throw a match into a tank of gas, it explodes and destroys your house. That is uncontrolled rage. But if you pour it into a jet engine, it will take you to the moon. The problem isn't the fuel. The problem is the engine. Here are 4 types of engines you can use to burn your anger and convert it into success. Method number 1. Physical sublimation. The Hulk was born to smash. Your body when angry is the same. It wants to move. Don't sit in a chair and overthink. Stand up. When your blood is boiling, run to the gym, sprint, punch a heavy bag, channel all that frustration, humiliation, and bitterness into every single rep. You will find yourself stronger than usual. Turn mental pain into physical power. That is the safest and most effective pressure valve. Method number 2. The Michael Jordan effect. Basketball legend. Michael Jordan had a strange habit. He remembered everyone who ever doubted him. He used spite as fuel. You say I'm washed up? Fine, I'll show you. When someone doubts you, don't argue, don't explain. Stay silent. Take that anger, compress it, and use it to grind day and night. The sweetest revenge isn't hurting them. It is massive success right in front of their eyes. Method number 3. The Guardian. Why do you get angry? Usually, it's because someone stepped on your self-respect or crossed a boundary. In that moment, anger is your best friend. It's an alarm saying, "Hey, you are being bullied." Don't laugh it off. Use that aggressive energy to say no. Say no to unreasonable requests. Say no to disrespect. Anger gives weight to your voice. Use it to draw a line and protect your value. Method number 4. Aggressive creation. Did you know Beethoven wrote his famous Fifth Symphony while furious about going deaf? When you are angry, you have laser-like focus. All distractions vanish. Use that moment to do the hardest tasks. Write that tough email. Code that complex algorithm. Clean that messy room. Attack the work like Hulk attacks enemies. Don't let anger control you. Use anger to control the work. Anger is a wild beast. If you let it sit in the driver's seat, it will drive the car of your life off a cliff. But if you lock it in a cage, you lose your most powerful energy source. Be like Smart Hulk. Put the beast in the passenger seat. Tell it, "I know you're there. I will use your power, but I am the one holding the steering wheel." Next time a fire burns in your chest, don't be afraid. Ask yourself, what can I build with this nuclear energy right now? I am BetterDay. Thanks for listening. Turn your rage into fuel.